Okay, so here's the real thing, all bagged and tagged and nicely painted on the freshly made robot cart and ready to go. And over here, so that's Clank in the bag, right? And over here, this isn't Ratchet. But there you go, you can see the camera displaying right on there. They've got the camera feed working. And here we go. In come the balls. A few more balls for Hungry Hippo here. They'll be doing this on a carpeted field, so the balls won't bounce around quite so much. And then once they've all loaded up, there we go. Beautiful. And at the end of the match, they come flying over to the airship. They've got their rope hanging right here. They smash a couple of chairs along the way because that's the practice robot and it's okay to do that. They do have a ratcheting mechanism strapped onto the other robot, so once it gets up there, it's staying up there. And there we go. The ratcheting mechanism will keep that up there. There's a lovely view of it scrolling back down.